Hi, I'm Jess, and we are going to look at the GreenPan Dual Air Fryer. How would you like to prepare a complete and healthy meal effortlessly? Our dual zone air fryer is designed to help you achieve just that. With its dual zone technology, you can simultaneously air fry different types of food, saving you time and energy in the kitchen. The PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating ensures even cooking and makes cleaning a breeze, providing convenience and health benefits for the whole family. Featuring a user-friendly touchscreen LED display that lets you select between 9 cooking programs to match your needs. Boasting 2,400 watts to get cooking faster, the Sync Hot Air frying technology lets you cook different foods with less oil while achieving tremendous results. From fries to baking a cake or cooking a steak, there are so many options. It also features overheat protection and automatic shutoff to give you extra security. Sitting directly into the tray, the 2x4 litre frying baskets lets you cook a full meal for up to 6 people. They feature large, stay-cool handles and glass windows for easy monitoring of the food being cooked. Both baskets are equipped with removable crisping trays. The crisping trays help the hot air to circulate around the food while letting the excess oil or juices drain away. These elements are coated with PFAS-free ceramic non-stick. This ceramic coating is a healthy and convenient alternative to traditional non-stick. Indeed, it is free from PFAS chemicals, also known as forever chemicals, because they can persist for thousands of years in the environment and accumulate in our bodies, while also making cleaning a breeze, as most messes easily wipe away. Turn on the appliance by pressing the power button once, which will turn from red to white. Long press the button for 3 seconds to shut off the appliance. Note, the air fryer is equipped with an auto off function, where removing a tray will cut off the power and inserting it back will start up the appliance again. This air fryer is made to do more, as you can air fry but also grill, roast and bake depending on the cooking program you're selecting. There are a total of 9 preset cooking programs to choose at the press of a button. Choose from chicken leg, chicken, steak, fish, bacon, prawns, fries, vegetables and bake. The cooking programs automatically to provide preset temperature and time, but you can manually adjust both by clicking this button and then pressing the plus or minus button. Temperature ranges from 80 to 200 degrees Celsius and can be increased or decreased with 5-degree intervals. Press 1 or 2 to select the frying basket you want to use. Press for the light in the frying basket to turn on or off. If you plan to use the 2 baskets, you can then decide if they should follow the same program or not. Click on the match button to synchronize the program for the 2 frying baskets. Click on the smart button to synchronize finishing time for frying basket 1 and frying basket 2 with a different program. After selecting a program, you can also choose to delay a program starting time. The default setting is 90 minutes and can be adjusted from 10 to 900 minutes or 15 hours. Place the crisping trays into the baskets. Put the baskets into the base. You should hear a click when the baskets are properly put. Please remember, don't cut food in the baskets. Only use nylon, silicone or wooden utensils on the frying basket, or you might damage the ceramic non-stick coating. Have oven gloves or tea towels on hand and heat-resistant mat or dinner plates to carry and rest the baskets on. Make sure the crisping trays have cooled down before removing it. And before cleaning any part, be sure that the air fryer is unplugged, and it is important that you clean the entire appliance after each use to prevent the accumulation of grease and to avoid unpleasant odors. The crisping trays and baskets are hand wash only. Use warm to hot soapy water and rinse and dry thoroughly. If any food is stuck in between the openings of the crisping tray, soak in warm water to hot soapy water before cleaning. Use a sponge or soft cleaning brush to remove stains, and don't use any abrasive material or sharp utensils to clean the air fryer or any of its parts. Roughly wipe the interior of the body to remove any crumb or residue, but not the heating elements at the top. Clean the exterior with a damp cloth or sponge. Dry thoroughly. Always ensure your air fryer is clean and dry before storing.